graphics is just for this person. If that day he hadn't been to US, probably we still would have been in US. But we are very happy. I think with some cosmic connection, Satya landed up there in US that time. And we landed up here.
Okay, I'll wrap it up with a few thoughts. CL is a journey of friends. I think CL is a journey of friends who are very, 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 very distinct from one another. Many of you have suffered this. And you also have suffered from the fact that जो निखिल को पटा लिया तो जरूरी नहीं कि जीपी फट जाए और जीपी और निखिल को पटा लिया तो जरूरी नहीं कि सूजी मान जाए, है ना? और ये 4-5 के बाद होया, उसके बाद शिबू बच जाए और वो शिबू के द्वारे पर पत्थर फेंकते. So I think, and we always tried to run it through consensus. Whatever effort it takes, whatever amount of time it takes, and that is something that I really pride ourselves about. It is not that one Lala thinks and he's got half a dozen minions who run that order, and this doesn't happen by accident. And one of my claim to fame in my batch would be that someone like a Suzy or a Nikhil, they chose to come and work with CL. It is not a joke. Campuses में reputations बन जाते हैं. Suzy was called the mind, and when Suzy chose to quit in that era, 2000 में तो लोग इंडिया में लाइन में खड़े थे यूएस की तरफ जाए और यहाँ वहाँ जाकर बीवी के साथ सेटल होकर, and I didn't believe that Suzy will be able to make it because it's not easy for a young Indian housewife bride being supportive of moving back. बोले यार तू पागल है क्या? So it was an amazing contra view, and I don't think I have, and Suzy is actually extremely dear to me, extremely dear to me. I hate is what is the purpose of this वाला question. तुम चले जाओ ना, जाके चलो इसको चेंज करें. सुजी पूछेगा, हम मेरे को भी पूछता है, ऐसा मत सोचना आप ही को है कोकोनट, हमारे लिए भी कोकोनट है. हमारे लिए ज़्यादा कोकोनट है क्योंकि इसका मुझे मालूम है वहाँ से कि ये but I think like Srini said, gladly Srini gave the patent to Suzy, and we haven't looked any places. But I think my joy with Sujit or I'm speaking for all 5-6 of us is that we've had an unbelievable amount of fondness for each other. I may hate Nikhil or Suzy or Shivku or GP for some stance he's taking on this issue, but the fondness for the person, for the love for that person is unconditional. I'm saying that मैं किसी भी आग के थ्रू, किसी भी मुश्किल के थ्रू जाने को तैयार हूँ क्योंकि ये सूजी कह रहा है या जीपी कह रहा है या निखिल कह रहा है और श्रीनी कह रहा है. I think that is what I think has stood in great stead for us. And like many of you know, we'll be entering our 30th year, and Suzy's role in us reaching here is monumental. It's monumental, and it's definitely greater than 1/6. It's definitely greater than 1/6, and many a time we joke that maybe Suzy and Nikhil are 90% of the structuredness of CL. हम शुरू के लोग थोड़े ऐसे इधर रैंडम हो गए, श्रीनी, शिवको, जीपी में हम लोग थोड़े रैंडम लोग हैं. तो रैंडमनेस वाला इंडेक्स चाहिए कंपनी में, तो हम लोग ने थोड़ा बहुत दिया है. But the institutionalization, the structuredness of it, 90% of the load of CL the last 30 years has been carried by Suzy and Nikhil. I wish that Nikhil was here. Thankfully, Srini is here, so the recording for posterity is happening. So
निखिल को टॉर्चर करेंगे सुनिए
निखिल की आदत है ऐसे में मिस होने का,
तो
वो
GP
आईपीओ वाले में भी मिसिंग था वो।
जीपी और मैं जब गए थे, मुझे याद है, आई डोंट नो इफ सूजी रिमेंबर्स और नॉट, तो मैंने जीपी को कहा था यार सूजी इधर ही कहीं है, कहीं नो पता नहीं क्या हुआ था।
No, I had called Uma that day, and she gave me Bata's number, somebody's number.
It was very funny that I was looking for Suzy there or something, and Suzy had called Uma. This I'm remembering, but I remember that Suzy reached out to someone, and Suzy said, "I've written a white paper on technology in education." Suzy said, "मैंने आज ही भेजा है या भेजना चाहता हूँ या ईमेल क्या है? I've written a document called white paper on technology in education." तो and we realized Bata से पूछा था, Bata is Srini's batchmate who's our adda in California even today. Then Bata said, नहीं इधर ही है, इसका address तो इधर ही है, so we just went in and then the whole story started. So it's a hugely serendipitous thing, but we are here, we're delighted. You know, the reason why I also wanted to have this conversation by giving it the time that it deserves is that to me this perhaps is an indication of a very important institutional transition process that we are mindfully undertaking. Okay, you know, Rahul Dravid continues to contribute to Indian cricket, not as a number 3 batsman, but as a coach and a mentor. We see all of us doing that in the next 5-7 years, which means that there are Kohlis here, there are Rohit Sharma's here. They are all here in this room. There will be more that will come, and I would want us to look back at this event in a very celebratory way. Suzy is going nowhere. He won't go anywhere. Mo won't allow him to go anywhere. We won't allow him to go anywhere. However, he is making a room for leaders to emerge. And I can tell you that between me and GP, who will go first, there is competition. Though GP is 5 years older to me, I am not certain that I will outlast him. But Srini turns 58 next year. Okay. So what we will do is we will follow the institutional process. We will retire at the age that we have to retire, give it tremendous amount of meaningfulness, and I would love the day where I can become a full-time faculty and then just be available for Surjit or to GB, and then go do just seminars. I don't have to worry about P&L, I don't have to worry about investor meetings. I would love for somebody in this room to pick it up and run. And I'm sure it is same for each one of us as human beings. There comes a time where you say, boss, let a 35-year-old pair of legs and a 45-year-old pair of legs run harder, faster for the team. This is my child. मुझे इसको छोड़ने में मुझे मजा है. So when Sujit brought this up a couple of years ago, he said then we need to find a succession plan. So Manish was an outcome of a very calibrated, very clinical, very sincere succession planning, that somebody should come, and it's not a easy pair of shoes to step into. But the fact is that Suzy is around, all of us are around, and be prepared for more such farewells over the next few years. But we'll make it a meaningful place. The size of the company always is an incidental outcome. The market cap is an incidental outcome. We have had a great team. That's a good number that Suzy said. 5,732 people have contributed for us reaching here, and we will keep adding to that number. And Suzy, we love you. I love you. And Mo has been a rock for CL. There are times I know that Mo has fought on my behalf with Suzy. There are many occasions I can even I know or I imagine. You know, कल हम लोग सोच रहे थे कि आज Mo को बुलाने का काम हम लोग थोड़ा सा खुफिया करेंगे. We hid it from Suzy. सर हम लोग ऑफिशियल कर रहे हैं, बट मैंने Mo को बोला कि प्लीज तुम 1 बजे आ जाना, लेकिन Suzy को मत बताना, कुछ फोटोग्राफ्स वगैरह भेज देना. और सूजी का फेवरेट सॉन्ग भेज देना. So बेचारी Mo and Miku have done lot
Miku has done
of hard work and they sent it day before
And
night.
thanks
And
to your sending you to tennis and to collect the pictures, look through the albums, you know, and then we were very happy. Oh, you're going for go. Again, is आज मुझे वहाँ जाना है. हाँ जाना. Only why to go.
एक और सेट खेल के आया. Then Suzy walked into my room sheepishly yesterday afternoon and he asked me, is it okay? Should I call Mo for the occasion? I had to kind of admit to him. I didn't want to say नहीं मत बुला. रहने दे मत कर. ये कैसे बोल सकता हूँ? नहीं मत कर, ऑफिशियल मीटिंग है, कैसे बीवी को बुला रहा है? Maybe I should have done that.
No, I had a plan. I would have told him I have a meeting. I was also thinking, what will I tell him? You know?
Especially driver चाहिए
Yeah,
होगा.
I will. I said, क्यों क्या है? नहीं वैसे नहीं I have a meeting. GB या सुनीता मिट्टी बाद में वो होता है. I will tell him.
So then I admit and told him कि नहीं हमने Mo को बुला लिया है. And
So to conclude, is very real, not Nariel.
Nariel.
Nari.
Nariel.
Na real, na real.
Nariel.
Nariel.
Ariel हो गया?
Kharial.
The cake
Yeah,
is divine, I
cut
think.
cake and cars.
GP complete.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए.
That is GP.
Or maybe IG.
No.
Sujata, no. I come.
तेरे को देने के लिए आया.
मेरे को जीपी मेरे को देगा. वैसे ही मुझे
तेरे को एक
Mo, you're good to go.
You go.
No, anyway, the whole video is there.
Biku and
ज़्यादा वैरायटी भी आप दे
Oh,
no,
एक मिनट. हाँ, you take it.
नहीं आप उधर जाओ ना सुनो.
ओके.
अच्छा जीपी
Now it's Suzanne Karela और नीचे आप.
नहीं
आपको
जीपी अपना डिजाइन के
We can have a group photo also.
Oh my
Sure,
God,
sure,
you got the favorite.
कुर्सियाँ सब एक डाल के एक लाइन बैठ सकता है पीछे भी.
He just was asking what is his favorite. I said blueberry cheesecake.
Oh,
Wow. This must be the most expensive cake you ordered.
विनोद बाबू की
फिर हम contribute कर
जितना जरूरी है उतना ही किया जाए.
नहीं है.
पॉलिसी के बाहर है ये. ये अंकल को पता है क्या? बटरस्कॉच अलाउड है, चॉकलेट अलाउड है.
3 साल बाद है ये.
कितने लगाओगे?
कोई ना.
बाकी अगली बार लगा दिया. ये जितना जरूरी है.
It's so crazy. Our daughter has just joined.
Yesterday,
From today's our second day.
No, it's a good transition.
One generation is starting.
It's a good transition. I was just thinking.
Come. Satya.
नहीं तुम लोग जल्दी से सबके आगे में कम
IG you also.
More.
IG go. Srini you also.
नहीं मैं
आराम से. I hold this.
वाह ये तो रियली बहुत सॉफ्ट है. कहाँ से लाए? Oh, they have started the cakes also.
I didn't know this.
It's not demand. It's not
के साथ
Not
cake.
demand, हाँ. They will have.
राज के साथ केक फ्री है क्या? राज के साथ केक फ्री है. केक के साथ एक फुल फ्री.
Wow, it's very nice. Who got it from where?
ready.
Very nice.
One day delivery.
And this you need to have it in a plate.
Yeah, it's
It's a cheese
God
cake.
favorite.
ये तेरे लिए बहुत छोटा है.
Bad, हाँ. I'll get the
ओके अभी अभी खाने पे टूट के पड़ सकते हो।
phone.
आ रहा है कुछ खाना अभी?
Satya. दिल बैठ रहा है.
We use this as a dessert, no? You have dessert also? Okay.
I can do that.
डेजर्ट के ऊपर के
First friend.
डेजर्ट के उसके साथ
Inferior.
Yeah.